Hey guys, Rich here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. I'm out riding the Heybike Mars 2.0 this afternoon. Thought I'd go for a little ride. It's a lazy Sunday afternoon, kind of quiet. I thought, you know, the weather's beautiful. It only hit maybe 80 degrees today. It was about 60 degrees this morning when I woke up, so it was kind of nice and cool for Florida. I know it's not cool for a lot of you folks. Don't make fun of me. Us Floridians down here, we get cold every time we open up the refrigerator door, so, you know, 60 degrees is really nice for us. But yeah, so yeah, I thought I'd get out here for a ride. I saw a kid a few minutes ago running past the house a couple times. I'm not sure what he was riding. It was pretty fast though for being a young guy. I don't know, he was 12, 14, maybe the best I could guess, and he was riding something kind of fast. I wonder if it was like a goat or something, if you've seen those little moped style bikes, but he was zipping by pretty quick. I don't know. He's out enjoying the weather too. We're starting to see more and more people ride e-bikes coming through the neighborhood occasionally. I like it a lot because I like to see that people are embracing the new technology, the new trend of e-biking, and getting out, getting a little bit of exercise and just enjoying themselves. We're going to go this way. Yeah. Yeah, so anyway, released a couple of videos recently, doing some stuff around in the garage, talked about that, talked about some new stuff coming in, really excited. Got a couple of really neat products coming in. I'm almost losing sleep over it, I'm so excited. Yeah, let's see, we're going to get up here on the sidewalk because we can. Go this way a little bit. I do have a little problem with this bike. Let's stop here real quick. I like this bike. It's pretty nice. But I do have a problem. Something going on with this seat. The seat keeps wanting to tilt right here. I've tightened that up really, really good. But it keeps tilting backwards anyway. It's already got a suspension seat post on here, but I don't like how, and it's designed so it flips up like this, see? I like that flip design. It's just that this right here, I just can't seem to get it tight enough to not want to keep tilting. I don't know what's going on with it. Yeah, let's see here. So this Heybike Mars 2.0 comes in two different variations. It comes in a 750 watt motor and a 1,000 watt. The 750 comes with mechanical brakes. The 1,000 watt comes with hydraulic. So I'm happy that they sent the 1,000 watt version. Hey, look, no one is excited about this at all. Right outside our neighborhood, all this construction going on. Yeah. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know all this used to be woods right here, and they ripped it all out and got rid of the cows, and now we're going to get a Wawa, Wendy's, Panda Express, and I don't know, I think a CVS or something. When we bought this house 6 years ago, we were out here in the country, you know, it's kind of nice. There wasn't much traffic at all, and now they've added a couple of new roads and thousands of new homes. Thank you. So now it's just mayhem. Yeah. Might have to move. Yeah. Mrs. Adventure and I have actually talked about it. Yeah, we bought this house thinking, oh, this will be our last home. We moved around a lot, being in the military and stuff, and we just wanted to kind of settle down, but now we're like, we didn't move further enough out into the country. Then maybe we should move. I don't know. What do we do if we, what are we going to do? I don't know. Discussions are ongoing. And it's going to be a while. We wouldn't move anytime real soon, but it is something in the back of my mind that we're kind of kicking around. Where should we go? Tell me that. If Mrs. Adventure and I decide to pack up and move, where should we go? Drop your suggestions down below, because we have no idea where we want to go. So this sidewalk right here was always a little tore up. Just a little bit. Oof. But ever since the hurricane came through, it pushed on that tree, and the tree roots popped up to the sidewalk there, and now it's really bad. I suspect one day I'm going to come out here and that tree's going to be gone. Even though it's still healthy and it just leans a little bit. I suspect someone will want to get rid of it. Yeah. You know, this seat is sliding down. Yep, so not only is the saddle loose on the seat post, but the seat post is loose because it's hit a few bumps and I'm starting to sink. I got that sinking feeling. Hey, look, they picked up some of the hurricane debris. But then they came through and cut out a bunch of the bushes, the hedge bushes and low-hanging tree limbs, and they created more debris, so now that's got to get picked up. What is this? This is new. What's this sign all about right here? Just an advertisement. Stinking advertisement. Quality roofing. Roofing and solar. Chris Construction. Out here in a country road, and they're sticking up that nonsense. Yeah. More debris. It's slowly getting cleaned up. Just taking some time. Oh, let's see what else. So what are some of the favorite features about this bike? We talked about this bike to begin with. It is a cadence sensor. Wished it was torque, but that's all right. But even it being cadence, it's the motor's real quiet. I like that. Controls are pretty easy to get to. I like the controls. Nice big button pad. Thumb throttle. I wished it was a twist throttle, but that's all right. The handlebars telescope up and down, as well as they tilt so you can fold this bike up because it is a folding bike. So that's all cool. I like the color. Color orange is kind of nice and bright. Do a lot of ghost pedaling though, because we need a better gear set, which that's the case with most bikes. Hey, squirrel? Yeah, we're gonna turn around right here. We're gonna go down into that neighborhood. Whew, that was a little weak. I think it's 80 Newton meters of torque if I'm not mistaken, so a little weak on the power. Get you up some hills, through some grass, just not thick grass. Yeah, I don't know. It's just a beautiful day, and I'm just out here enjoying it, bringing you guys along for the ride. Hey, I was looking at some of the statistics of my some of my videos. Statistically, if you're still watching this video, you're in like the 10th percentile or something. Because statistically, about 40 or 50% of the people don't get past the first 20, 30 seconds. And then after the first couple of minutes, there's only like 30% of the people left. I tell you what, as a creator, that's real depressing. You know, we spend all this time making content. Here comes that kid. Here he comes. I don't know what he's riding. Nope, he just turned around. Oh, he's going through the grass. He does what I like to do sometimes. Kind of went through the grass and hit the hill. Anyway, as a creator, it's kind of depressing when people are not watching your videos. It kind of makes you feel like nobody likes you. I don't know, maybe nobody likes me. Maybe that's it. I don't know. He went to the right. I'm going to go to the left. Maybe we'll meet him. I get a better look at what he's riding. Yeah, so I hired a consultant. I did. No, not an overseas guy. Those guys will just steal your money and do nothing for you. But I did hire a consultant to review my channel and give us some feedback, tell us what we can do to improve, make some better content for you guys. Maybe you'll be willing to stick around, or the way you're sticking around, because this video's been ongoing now for 10 minutes or something, and you're still here. But maybe to help some of the other folks to want to stick around longer. And I know these kind of videos where I'm just out kind of rambling, not talking about anything specific, those are never popular, but you know, I do it anyway. But even in my product reviews and some of those other videos that are very specific about something, very specific topic, people click on it because they want to know more information about that specific topic. And they watch about 15 seconds of it and they see my ugly mug and they click off and go somewhere else. It's like, what? Give me a chance, man. Give me a chance. I don't know. Where's that kid at? He's not here yet. Should be seeing him pretty soon because he was going a lot faster than I was. So he'll make it around our lake considerably faster than me probably. Although I'm doing about 19 right now, so. Where's he at? Where's he at? I don't see him. Maybe he stopped. Maybe he turned around. We have another little road here that's a dead-end street, so maybe he went down there. Maybe he went home. I don't know. I don't know. I don't see him. Little lady waving at me over there. Yep, he must have gone somewhere else. That's all right. Well, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for sticking around with me and listening to my rant. I promise you there'll be some better videos coming out here real soon to entertain you. So be looking for those. Give me a thumbs up. See you guys in another video real soon. Ride responsibly, ride safe.